Hi guys, today we talk about Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2024. It's launched on May 2024. The dimensions of Moto G Stylus 5G: height 6.4 inch, width 2.94 inch, thickness 8.3 mm. The weight is 190 grams and the build front glass and eco leather bag with plastic frame. The display of Moto G Stylus is it's come with POLED 1 billion color screen type and the screen size is 6.7 inch with 88.2% screen to body ratio and the resolution is 1080p. The refresh rate is 120Hz with 1200 nits peak of brightness and the protection is Gorilla Glass. Let's talk about the platform. It comes with Android 14 operating system and the chipset is Snapdragon 610 4nm and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A78. The GPU is Adreno 710. The memory of this device, it comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 250 gigs of ROM and it supports micro SD card. Let's go to the camera. It comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30fps video record. The battery of Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G, it comes with 5000 mAh battery and 30 watt wire charging and it supports wireless 15 watt charge and it supports 5 watt reverse wireless and wire charging. The common and feature of this mobile, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPM, stereo speakers, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, 3.5mm headphone jack, UFS 2.2 and water reflect design. The price of Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 $400.